Darko. Yeah, bitch, call me Darko. Class of '09, class of '09. Class of '09, fuck the one I am, oh. Yeah, bitch, call me Darko. Yeah, bitch, call me Darko. Class of '09, class of '09. Class of '09, fuck the one I am, oh. I'm crazy kid, that's wild boy. Crazy kid, that's wild boy. I'm in motherfucking Colorado and I'm about to so bored, boy. If you understand me, I'ma go hard and demand thee. If you tell me to keep it down, I'ma fuck you go and stand thee. I'm the nigga that's running on the game, and I'm this nigga that's tearing up names, and I'm this one that's gonna rip it up, and I'm gonna be the one that's destined for fame. If you see me running to the top, if you see me never ever stop, I'm gonna be the one that's gonna run away in there. I'm gonna be the one that's gonna be the steady up tie, snap back with no name on it, fitted cap with blue jays on it. If you see me run away with it, and I'm just gonna own it. If you see me just run this shit, and about to be this new kid, and about to tell all you, y'all can just go ahead and just suck my dick. You don't know me. You don't know me.
Okay, we had to explain that to all of
You don't know me, but you can promise me I am the Dark Star, the new king. Yeah, bitch, call me Darko. Yeah, bitch, call me Darko. Class of '09, class of '09, class of '09, fuck that one, I am O. Yeah, bitch, call me Darko. Yeah, bitch, call me Darko. Class of '09, class of '09, class of '09, fuck that one, I am O. '09, yeah.